Yep.
Here's a picture of the alignments before we've had the final pieces put in place.
That is after.
And this is now after.
Got camber on the front, toe on the front, everything.
Perfect. And at the back, we had this done before. Yeah, I mean that's almost. It's only the adjustment.
Yeah, the toe is perfect.
Perfect.
Camber is slightly out, which has to be. Cause
Yeah.
you're gonna get more.
Which is ideal for road use anyway. Yeah, fantastic. So we got her on the ramps. We're going to take you underneath now and have a look at what we've done underneath, because we've changed all the camber and caster bolts because they're all seized, and we've also gone through all the bushes on the car. So once we get underneath, have a look at this. Okay, so if we start here at the back, you'll see Hardrace adjustable toe arms here. You'll see that the cam bolts are changed and the bushes are all changed to the suspension. Difficult to see at the top there, but they've all been out and all the suspension bushes are changed to Powerflex ones. Again, on this side, it's all been changed. You can see the purple of the Powerflex bushes there. Now if we go to the front of the vehicle, you'll see these big caster bolts are now stainless steel, and again the bushes, we've got drop links, new drop links there each side, and then the bushes you can just see again the purple of the bushes there. And then we've got the tie rods ends.
Yeah, tie rod front vents.
And that's pretty much it. Same all the other side. So we're all good now. That's it. Should make a massive difference on the road.